If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, this video is for you. I'll show you how to get VidIQ Max for free using official offers and how to use them to find viral keywords, analyze competitors, and generate better video ideas. No hacks, no fake promises, just a clear, honest, and easy-to-follow guide. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you are a YouTuber, then I'll suggest you to use VidIQ extension and Next Level YouTube Research and Analytics Chrome extension. These both extensions are perfect for YouTuber, and you can enhance your video SEO and research or anything by these two extensions. But this video is about how to get VidIQ Max Plan in a completely free. So just go to vidiq.com, and here you can see vidiq.com/plan. This is the plan page, and here you can see there is no any free trial for boost plan or max plan on a monthly or yearly. But free plan is also great for newbies or if you don't want to pay anything. So let's install both extension in my Chrome profile. After add extension in Chrome profile, simply click on this pin, and we need to pin both extension. I'll suggest you to use both extension to get perfect result. And here you can see this is the after install without sign up VidIQ shows stat of my YouTube channel. Here you can see. So simply click on extension, and you don't need to sign up direct. I will give this magic link in this video description and in a comment box also. Here you can see this is the magic link. By this link only you will get free for 30 days in just $1. Here you can see, hey creator, you have found our secret page. VidIQ Max has been instrumental with helping gain 2 million plus subscribers, and we simply click on this start today for $1. Choose one Gmail account if you had logged in multiple Gmail account. You don't need to connect your main YouTube channel. You can also, if you want to just research, keyword research or title ideas, then you can use it in a secondary YouTube channel. Here you can see successfully I sign up, and this is the checkout page. First month $1 promo, and the discount 48.02 cent. Now just add here your card detail, date of expiry, CVV, and click on this pay now, and you will also get 6,000 AI monthly credit. But in a free plan also you will get a lot of benefit. Here you can see current I am on free plan. So now let's again visit YouTube channel, and here you can see video stat also on a YouTube, video performance, and how many subscribers. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.